So hello friends, as you can see, I make a spiral book in PowerPoint. So in this tutorial, I am going to show you how we can make this type of spiral notebook. So let's start. So I am in the blank slide. So first what we have to do is select this rounded rectangle. Okay, and I am drawing this here for making it full page. Yeah, now select this again and press Ctrl D for duplicating this and this yeah. Now press Ctrl and select both, and now press Ctrl G for group. I am grouping this. Okay, now select this again and go to the format tab, and here is the align option, and you have to align center. Okay, going back, select both, group this again and align center. Yeah, so it is in the center. Now what we have to do is go to the new slide tab, blank slide. Okay, now I am making the spiral. So take a oval shape and go here. Yeah. Now press Ctrl D. Yeah, Ctrl D for duplicating this and place it here. Yeah, right. Okay. Now I am going to select simple rectangle here and draw it here. Okay, do one thing. Back and back and back. Select this or make it color black, right? And outline is no outline. Now press Ctrl D for duplicating this and place it here. Yeah. Now go to the select rectangle and just yeah, it looks fine. Yeah, go to the fill option and fill with white. Outline is I guess no outline. Okay, select this, go to the format tab and go to the shape effect and going to the selecting this one and go to the glow and make a little bit glow. So I'm going with this. Yeah, now select all. Yeah, press Ctrl D for group. Yeah, now hold the shift button and make it a little bit smaller. Yeah, I'm going to copy this. Ctrl C for copy and go to this tab and paste here. Yeah, now drag it in the center. I think it's good perfect. Now press Ctrl D for duplicating this, and now I'm selecting this. Yeah, I'm selecting this. Just using arrow key and make it. Yeah, fine. Now press again Ctrl D and yeah, again Ctrl D. Yeah, so it is automatically copied by the same space. Yeah, I think it's perfect. Yeah, so now I'm going to the left side and pressing Control D or right click on and duplicate slide. Yeah. Now go to the first slide and select this one here, left side, and delete this. Yeah. And now select this save, edit text, and here I am writing simple cover page. Yeah. Select all, Control A, and make it size bigger, 40, and yeah, or I'm making all uppercase. Yeah, it's fine. And I'm also changing the color for this, like go to the texture and I'm picking like this color. Okay, selecting text and select some. Yeah, it's fine. Now go to the second number slide and copy this once again. I'm duplicating this slide. Yeah. Okay, now I'm going to the third slide and drag to the last. And I'm selecting this and I am selecting the shape which is in right side and delete this. And I am also making this color. And go to the texture and yeah, and I'm writing here last page. Control A and making color different, bold, and also size uppercase. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. Now I'm duplicating this. Control D and D, making more pages. Right. Delete this simple. Delete this. Yeah, it's okay. Now this is our spiral book. Make a I'm simply changing the color for a little bit. Select one here and go to the fill shape and bring this and also select this shape and go with the light green. Yeah, and also I'm writing here page 1 here, Control A and bold here and make this 40 uppercase. Yeah. Control C. Okay, now edit text, Control V, go to the page number 2. Okay, I'm deleting this line, making the duplicating this line. Duplicate this line or Control D. Yeah, that's okay. So this is my page third. Yeah, select this light blue and I am going with this like little bit darker blue. This is my page number 4 and I am going to this and page number 5, page number 6 and I am selecting the color yeah, brown and this one is light brown. Okay, now go to the left side, select the one slide and sorry, press Control A for selecting all. Now hold the control button and deselect slide number 1. Yeah. Now go to the transition page and go to the drop down menu and select the page curve, this one. Yeah. and you can see the from second, third, fourth there is a star mark. So now almost we are ready. We make a or spiral book here. Yeah. So now go to the slideshow mode and okay. Now I am pressing the space bar for next page. Yeah. Page number 1 and 2, page number 3 and 4, 5, 6, and this is last page. So this is how we can make a spiral notebook in PowerPoint. I hope you like it. Thank you.